How to fix messages on available Instagram. In order to fix this Instagram message on available problem, first thing first, make sure to update your Instagram app from Play Store or App Store if you are using Android or iOS depending on your device. Then open the Instagram app and then make sure to sign in on your account. In order to fix this issue, you have to tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and after that you will get access to your profile feed of Instagram. Then tap on three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen and you have to scroll all the way down, and under how others can interact with you, select message and story replies. Now under how people can reach you, select message controls, and here under potential connection you have to select your followers on Instagram, and here you need to tap on message request. So message requests from people who follow you on Instagram will be delivered to your message request folder unless you choose not to receive them. So you have to select message request, then come back, and on this other people you have to deliver request to message request. Then all the message requests will be delivered. After that, under group chat you can see the option of who can add you to group. Select it and select on everyone on Instagram. Now you can be added to groups by everyone on Instagram except by people you blocked. Let's go back, and the main feature you have to turn on is this allow access to message button. So under this connected tools you have to turn on this button. After that, your message on available Instagram issue will be definitely fixed. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it, hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks and see you in the next video.